Monitoring backlink growth is one of the most crucial tasks in improving your website's SEO, but knowing how to track it effectively can feel overwhelming. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to monitor backlink growth for your website, and I've tested all the most popular tools so I can share the best one with you. Stick around till the end because I'll also give you an exclusive free trial of my recommended tool to make tracking backlinks a breeze. To start, let's define what we mean by backlink growth. It's the increase in the number of backlinks pointing to your website over time. Monitoring this growth can help you gauge the effectiveness of your SEO efforts, track your competition, and spot any sudden changes that may signal issues like lost links or Google penalties. Now, the first step is finding the right tool to monitor your backlinks. There are plenty of options out there, but after testing several, I recommend Ahrefs. Why? It has one of the most comprehensive link databases, giving you a clear picture of how your backlinks are performing. But if you want to follow along, you'll find a link to an exclusive free trial in the description below, just for viewers of my channel. Once you've got your tool set up, you'll want to start by tracking new backlinks. Most tools, including Ahrefs, allow you to see which sites have linked to you in the past month, week, or even day. This gives you an up-to-date overview of how your backlink profile is growing. Next, you want to look at the quality of your backlinks. A sudden increase in backlinks is great, but if those links are from spammy websites, they won't help your SEO much, and they could even harm your rankings. Look for backlinks from high-authority sites in your industry. If you see a large number of low-quality backlinks, it might be time to disavow them using Google's disavow tool. Another important aspect of monitoring backlink growth is tracking your competitors. Tools like Ahrefs allow you to compare your backlink profile with your competitors' profiles. If they're gaining high-quality backlinks faster than you, it could be time to adjust your strategy. Additionally, make sure you're regularly checking for lost backlinks. Sometimes websites will remove their links to you. Regularly monitoring your backlinks lets you catch these losses early and try to regain them. One more thing to note is anchor text. Over time, you want a good mix of branded, generic, and exact match anchor texts. A sudden spike in one type of anchor text can raise a red flag for Google, so make sure it stays balanced. Now, before we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. Consistently monitoring your backlink growth will help you understand how your SEO is progressing and allow you to catch any potential problems early. Make sure you're checking for new backlinks, evaluating their quality, comparing them to your competitors, and watching for any losses. Don't forget to take advantage of that exclusive free trial link in the description to start tracking your backlinks with ease. And remember, regular backlink monitoring is one of the best ways to keep your SEO efforts on track. Thanks for watching.